Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today we're unboxing the AOC gaming monitor, the Q27G3XMN, Mini LED, QHD, 180Hz, 1ms latency, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, VESA Display HDR 1035 monitor. So let's go. Let's see, today we're using the knife. Okay, ooh, that's a bigger box than usual. What do we have here? Display size of 27 inches, 68.5 centimeter. Display HDR. Okay. Discover your destiny. Well, I guess we can start discovering destiny by taking it out of the box, yeah? Okay, what do we have here? I guess we have some sort of suggestions how to assemble it, how to take it out. Take it out, place it like that, then take the legs, then mount it on here, and then only take it away. Okay, cool. We're gonna do it like that then. LCD screen is a vulnerable device, will not be repaired after damage. Be sure to be careful. Operation, do not touch screen with fingers or hard object. Okay, let's take a look what's inside. Maybe need a little wider. Okay, that's the calibration data. You can take a look right now. So what's the delta? It says the delta is 0.63. You're right. Delta E 0.63. Jesus Christ, you know? Yeah, it's like better than the top monitors. Please follow the instructions. These instructions are for the, I don't know why actually, to whom are these instructions? To lose the bending strap, remove the styrofoam. This step depends on actual machine. What? Lose the bending strap, remove the styrofoam and accessories on top of the machine and install the base. For the models with the stopper at where the support is, please remove the stopper. It's very strange that it's in red. Why do you do it like that? So it's in very strange. So how are people doing this then? They doing some dumb shit with it or what? Okay, I guess these things on top, so try to do it like they say we need to do it. We need to, we need to take it out like this. I'm gonna take it out like this. As you can see, nothing inside. Let's move the box to the other side then, and let's move the accessories and the things. Okay, what do we have here? We have cable, monitor with the stronger cable than the G3 that we unboxed last time. Actually planning releasing this video 1 week after the G3, so you're gonna see like I'm unboxing the Samsung G3 and then I'm unboxing AOC Q27G3XMN, but actually I sold that monitor quite some time ago. I was just actually looking for the editing software to buy, so I decided with the DaVinci Resolve. Anyways, here's the cable. Nothing interesting, simple cable. Let's move that to the side. We have some, it's even worse than Samsung G3, 48 kilowatt hours. Samsung's G3 was like on E, and it was with 18 kilowatt hours during the 1000 hours of usage. Okay, we have quick start guide and information manual. Prevent tipping. What do we have here? Oh, it's like that. Take it out, first stick it, screw it in, then that strap, the display port. We're gonna connect the display port to my laptop straight to the USB-C. I guess this manual is just, okay, yeah, a lot of languages. I'm gonna put that there, to the side, cable, and we have display port cable, and we have HDMI cable. Is the maximum outage of HDMI 2 is 120 Hz at 4040p with HDR. What we need is display port cable, 1.4 I think A or 1.4 or something. Anyways, and here's our leg. It's made better than Samsung, because it has the screw-in system without having, without needing the ability to have this. The legs are quite sturdy, so not too bad. Then what we need to do is take out the top put the lower part to the side. It's actually quite big. And now this part. Okay. I think now we can screw it in. Oh, I love to screw. Seems okay? If it seems okay, it is okay. They say the stand quality is not too good, but I don't say that it is that bad. Actually, it's not that bad. It's plastic, yes, but we paid only 350 euros for this. You know, it's not too bad. Here you can see the stand. Not too bad. Not too bad. Now, anyhow, where's the stand? Yes. Okay. Now what? For some reason, magically hold it. Oh yeah, now I think I do understand why. It's a heavy brother. Opa. Ooh, darling. Let me put all this to the side so we can clearly see the monitor itself. Right. So, as we can see, continuing things about it. Yeah, all these stickers. I can say that I'm a big fan of those. Great. Of course, I think we need to turn it on to work, yeah? Yes, let's extend. Nice. And it works. I clearly see, and the hertz is 180 hertz. For some reason, it was originally checked as 170 hertz. That's very strange. Okay, let me turn off the ring light so you can see better. I think it's a little better. Brightness, I think that's good. HDR video streaming, HDR supported. Just a video. So, initial setup done. Let's try to set the NVIDIA G-Sync also here. And it's already selected. Enable settings for selected display model. It says it's not validated as G-Sync compatible, but we'll see. Maybe it is. Maybe it is compatible. I think I even have pendulum test. Yep. It looks like it's compatible with the G-Sync. Yep. Okay, let's try open the YouTube. And let's try to run some 4K HDR test. I think this is one of the best tests. Of course, 4040p would be better. Yes. It's actually good. This one looks actually really good. And you can clearly see the black being black, not some other color, you know? Yeah, so that's that. That was the unboxing of AOC Q27G3XMN Mini LED VA panel monitor. If you have any questions or need anything else, just write it down in the comment section and press like and subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching this video and bye!